Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a special job. Last night it was raining and I was in the bedroom sleeping, and then I started to sound like something was dripping on top of the ceiling in the bedroom. And in the morning when I on the light, it was looking like there was moisture on the ceiling. So my job now is to climb in the attic, and of course you will join me, and see if I can discover any leakage there, any problem there. And then I will climb the roof and check there. Also on the roof there is still a lot of moss, which I did not remove the last 2 or 3 years. That could be a problem, because if the moss is stuck on a tile, then it will keep the water flow from flowing down, and it might go inside the roof. So come and join me. Let's go and check what's wrong with the roof. So this is above my bedroom. It looks at least dry in this section, even though that it looks like an animal was digging through the insulation here. Never seen that before. And here it looks like a new wasp nest is coming up. Also nothing here. Here's the wasp nest I destroyed last year. Looks dry down here as well. Here as well. But no, looks not dry. Here as well. I hope you can see it with the camera. Looks like nothing went in here. Here I can't really see under. But here's the bathroom window then anyway, so we are already off the bedroom. So I can't see anything here. Then let me go on top of the roof. I'll take this broom along. Let's see what we can do out here. So, this is the north side of the roof. This is what I'm supposed to do since years, but yeah, I don't. So I'm still on the roof. GoPro battery already stopped working or finished. So yeah, I'm at the last small piece of roof. Will take me like, let's say, 5 more minutes, but I don't know if you see it. It's quite windy at the moment, so I'll wait a little bit till it calms down and just enjoy the view here. Let me share the view with you. This is the waterfall. You seen already some videos I made. There's Switzerland. Yeah, that's the view from my house, from my roof. That is the hohe Phrasen. Yeah, I will finish this fast, and thank you for joining in. I think that's the end of the video. There's no need to show more. Oh, why not? I will, when the wind is less, I will fly up with the drone. I made some videos the day before yesterday, so you can compare how it looks before and after. Anyway, thanks for the time. Hope you liked the video, and follow, subscribe, and come back for more. Bye bye.